Example 1. We're going to fill out the missing pieces of information in the table below. So we have length and diagram, actual object length, and scale. In the first row, it's the scale that we're missing or that we need to calculate. Remember that scales for these calculations are always diagram to object. The length of the diagram is 32.6 centimeters, and the length of the object is 65.2 meters. So for our solution, we're going to say diagram, or 32.6 centimeters, to object, or 65.2 meters. And this is going to equal 1, because in a scale, the first term is always 1, centimeters to some number of given meters. And what we've done is just match the units from the measurements out of the table. We set it up as a proportion, so 32.6 over 65.2 equals 1 over x. Cross multiply 32.6 times x equals 1 times 65.2. Divide by 32.6, and we get x is equal to 2. So our scale is, we take this information and rewrite it, but we replace the unknown with 2 meters. So our scale is 1 centimeters to 2 meters. The second row gives us a length, 55 millimeters, and it gives us a scale, 1 millimeter to 2.3 meters, and we're looking for the actual object length. So diagram is 55 millimeters, and the scale is 1 millimeter to 2.3 meters. Just for my solution, I set it up. 55 millimeters to unknown meters is equal to 1 millimeters to 2.3 meters. And how did I know what units to use? I looked at the scale. Meters, that's how I knew my unknown length was in meters. 55 to our unknown x equals 1 to 2.3. Cross multiply, and I get x is 126.5. So the measurement of the actual object is 127 meters. The third row, 2 to 18 is what's given. The length in the diagram is 2, the object length is 18, and we're looking for the scale. So for our solution, 2 to 18 equals 1 to some unknown. First number in a scale is always 1. There's no units included in this one because there were no units given with our measurements. 2 over 18 equals 1 over x. Cross multiply gives us 2x equal to 18. Divide both sides by 2 gives us x equal to 9. So the scale is 1 to 9. I take the scale up here and put the 9 in for my question mark. And the last entry, we're looking for a diagram measurement. We have the actual length of the object, which is 7, and we have the scale, which is 1 to 3. So our unknown length on the diagram to 7 equals 1 to 3. And again, there's no units to worry about in this example. So x over 7 equals 1 over 3. Cross multiply to get 3x equal to 7. Divide by 3 on both sides, and we get x is 2.3 repeating. Remember, the bar over the 3 means that it would repeat forever. But we're going to round to 2.3. So the measurement of the object in the diagram is 2.3, whatever units they were, and we weren't given them, so we don't need to worry about them.